2:10 pace, so good luck, Will. Thank you. Thanks for all your help this morning, Pace.
2 miles down. Here we have it, 3 miles. 5 miles down. Here we go, 6 miles done. Over halfway now, mile 7. Right, 8 miles. Just 5 more to go. I'm on 9 now. That was at the top of a nice big hill. I'd like to be at the top. Mile 10. Mile 11, 2 to go. Here we go. Final mile today.
Remember, if you fancy signing up to your first race, head to runthrough.co.uk for a 5k. You get a 5k at great cost.
So that was the Leicestershire half marathon. It was good. It was extremely windy today, so we had over 40-mile-an-hour winds. So that was definitely not going to be a PB day. Also, it was quite a hilly course. The hills at the end to finish were an absolute killer. I did it in just a tad under 2 hours, which I'm very pleased with because I pulled my hamstring earlier on in the week and I've been nursing it all week. Squats, lunges on the stick of death every night, and but I got round without really feeling too much of my hamstring. So yeah, all in all, very good. Maybe I shouldn't have gone mountain biking yesterday. I felt like I had nothing left at the end. It's the last couple of miles where normally I can drop a hammer, but yeah, it was all good, all done now. On to the next race.